So let's just see how we can install this Cascadia Code font family in Windows 10. So this is one of the very popular font family, and here how the font will look like. So these are the font variants available. So we have Cascadia Code, Cascadia Mono, and this is the font ligature. So here, so you can see whenever we use not equal, it will be look like this, and not double equal will look like this. Similarly, and also similarly triple equal will look like this. And also we have the stylistic sets, they are available with the Cascadia Code. So here you can see we have one simple JavaScript code, we have the arrow function. So because currently we do not have Cascadia Code, so here equal arrow is just looking like normal, but whenever we install that, then the equal arrow will look completely different. So here in the Windows font setting we have so many different fonts, but if we search for Cascadia, so you can see we do not have any Cascadia installed. Now to add the font family, we have to go to the Microsoft's GitHub account, and here under the Cascadia Code repository we have all the files. Now to download that font, we have to click on this releases. So from here we can download the zip file, so we have to click on that and the file will be downloaded. So inside the folder we have three different type of fonts. So first of all is the OTF. So the OTF stands for Open Type Font, and secondly we have the TTF, that means True Type Font, and thirdly WOF2, that means Web Open Font Format 2. So we're gonna use the True Type Font because this is widely supported. So here we have so many different fonts. We have Cascadia Code Normal, we have the Cascadia Code Italic. So we're gonna install this Cascadia Normal, so click on this. So from here we can just click on the install button and the font will be installed. Now if we go to fonts, and here if we search for Cascadia, so you can see we have this font that we have just installed. So here you can see after the restart, the changes you can notice here, the arrow is completely different. Similarly also if we triple equal, in that case you can see that is looks very amazing. And also if we use not equal, this is also completely look different. So this way we can add multiple font faces of Cascadia Code and our code will look very amazing. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.